Namaste, my dear ITMA members. It's a great pleasure and privilege talking to you once again. So, we have commenced our program some time back in terms of the profit leadership, and in the first program, we just had a overview of why profit leadership and how this approach is going to be beneficial and helpful for us to handle the forthcoming challenges. So yesterday we had a session on the inventory cost management. We learned the principle of demand driven MRP, so which has given a lot of insights to all of you, and I'm very thankful to you for taking your time and attending the program as well as giving a wonderful feedback. From the lots of questions that were asked, it gives me a feeling that you have well received this topic. So the next topic that we are going to discuss in the next session is on the how to optimize the manufacturing conversion cost. So part of the cost drivers that we have been discussing right from the beginning, we have taken some of the major elements of the cost drivers which are deciding our profitability and prosperity in the coming years. So we have dealt with the inventory cost management, which is one of the major items for deciding our profitability. The next major item is the manufacturing conversion cost. So different companies have got a different way of having their PL account, profit and loss account, in which the various aspects of the cost are being looked into. So in this program, we are taking each one of these line items, which are major contributors, and then try to find out how we can optimize them. In terms of the plastic processing industry, which is the subject of interest to us, the conversion cost in manufacturing is one of the major element, and then we will look into it in this next program. So as many of you are running the processing industry in the B2B scenario mostly, you will notice that the material to sales ratio is very high in plastic processing industry. Sometimes it is as high as 85%, unlike the other engineering companies where the total material cost is only about 55%. So in plastic processing industry, your material cost being very high, and then which leaves only hardly about 10 to 15% for playing around the margin as well as the conversion cost. So it becomes very important to know that how we can bring down the manufacturing conversion cost so that we can improve our profitability. So in this program that we are going to discuss tomorrow, the main subject is to understand how plastic processing industries can optimize their manufacturing systems so that they will be able to improve their margins by reducing the conversion cost. So this is the program that we intend to do it tomorrow, and I'm sure as you have been showing overwhelming interest in this topic, being entrepreneurs who wants to sustain the industry under the difficult circumstances, the MSMEs are going to go through a tough time. Although government has announced a lot of subsidiaries, but still it is very important to look into every aspect of our cost management. So look forward to see you in this program tomorrow, in which we will give you some ideas how the plastic processing industries can benefit by optimizing the manufacturing conversion cost. Look forward to see you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.